If your mind can conceive it and your heart can believe it, then you can achieve it. A blazing afternoon wishes to all if gathered here for the inauguration of National Digital Library of India, NDLI Club of Konganadu Arts and Science College, and NDLI User Awareness Program. The National Digital Library of India has taken initiative to provide digital resources to students and academicians to enable efficient learning and research throughout the country through the digital portal like NDLI. Pray, then let it go. Don't try to manipulate or force the outcome. Just trust God to open the right doors at the right time. I request Ms. Deepika Menon to invoke the presence of God.
नाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्मान्तराय महेश्वराय नागेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्मान्तराय महेश्वराय नित्याय सुखाय निगम्बराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय मन्दायिनी सलिल सन्तन साचिदाय नन्दीश्वर प्रमदनाथ महेश्वराय नागेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्मान्तराय महेश्वराय.
Thank you, Deepika Menon. Entering with a happy heart makes the occasion wholesome. Now, I request Dr. R. Sumati Ma'am, Assistant Professor, Department of English Aided, to welcome the gathering.
Made weak by time and fate, but strong in will, to strive, to seek, to find, and not to yield. All we have to decide is what to do with the stipulated time given to us. My resplendent evening wishes to all. The felicity is mine in welcoming you all to the inauguration of the National Digital Library of India, NDLI Club of Konganadu Arts and Science College, Coimbatore, and the awareness session on the access and the resources of NDLI portal, which is a revolutionary repository of rare and multi-diversified collection of resources at one touch, and to promote the learning and research of our country. A wonderful initiative by the Ministry of Human Resource Development of India. Foremost of all, I would like to welcome the ever admirable icon of our institution, our Secretary and the Director, Madam Dr. C.A. Vasuki, who ever nodded no to any of our plans entangling our vision towards the right target. I feel honored to welcome our respected principal, Dr. M. Lakshmana Swamy sir, and our Chief Executive Officer, Dr. V. Chinnaswamy sir, whose thoughts and deeds led us to triumph. Let us mind in extending the welcome note to Dr. S. Paulsamy sir, Dean R&D, and Dr. S. Madan Shankar, Dean Academics, for their gracious presence. I welcome Dr. R. Senthilkumar sir, Librarian and Head Department of Library and Information Science, who is about to share his expertise on NDLI access and resources. I appreciate and welcome all the staff members and students who have gathered virtually for this wonderful occasion. Once again, I welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I humbly request Dr. M. Lakshmanaswamy sir, Principal, Konganadu Arts and Science College, to deliver the presidential address.
Thank you, Sumati Madam. Most respected patron, Dr. C. Vasim Madam, Secretary and Director, Chinnaswamy sir, Chief Executive Officer, and Dr. S. R. Madan Shankar, Dean Academics and PG Head Department of Biotechnology, and Dr. S. Balasamy sir, Dean R&D, Dr. R. Chandra Kumar sir, Librarian and Head, Miss S.P. Veena, Third B English Literature, NDLI student member, NDLI club members, staff members, and class-wise student representatives. Welcome you all for this NDLI club inauguration and NDLI user awareness program. The National Digital Library of India. So we have registered on 15th August, the date of registration 15th August 2020, and this is valid up to 14th August 2021. So we have a 1-year validity period. Based on the performance only, then they will renew. There are a lot of programs that I will read one by one. So the instruction given by the NDLI, conduct NDLI user awareness session online or offline for all the students and faculty members through NDLI club members within 30 days, and ensure that all the students and faculty members are bulk registered and activated in NDLI portal. For bulk registration, you have to share the email ID. Then second point is conduct at least one reading and knowledge related activity every month. So every month, so we have to conduct at least either reading or knowledge related activity programs. The report of each activity has to be submitted in the following URL. That's one link is given. Then you are requested to conduct at least 10 reading related activities within next 12 months. So for 1-year program, so they have given the assignment at least minimum 10 reading related activities. Your certificate of registration will be renewed based on your, that's already I informed you that the certificate of registration will be renewed based on our performance. A few examples of the activities that can be undertaken in NDLI club or NDLI lecture series, NDLI quiz program, NDLI story, NDLI go fish, NDLI role play, NDLI write on, NDLI makerspace. Third point is you can be also an content partner with the NDLI by sharing non-copyrighted, open source, digitized quality resources that could be faculty and student publications, presentation, class notes, video lectures, and research papers, etc. We will recognize best performing NDLI clubs at district and state and national level. So please all of you remember, just mere inaugurating or creating awareness is not enough. You can note the point. We will recognize best performing NDLI clubs, district level, state level, and national level. So I wish and I hope definitely our club will be perform well, and national, state level, national level, we won't stand first. In this juncture, I congratulate our librarian sir. It's a very dynamic and a researcher. He introduced the research. It's a research. This is not a library. It's a research center. Only because of him only this type of programs will resume. And also our young and energetic coordinator, Dr. Sumadi, coordinator of the Women Empowerment Cell. Madam also taken the lot of initiatives, and we have our guide, the followers of the guides, the senior guides, our Balasamy sir, Dean R&D, CEO sir, and experienced hand Dr. S.R. Madan Shankar sir. So he have a lot of experience. He has serviced more than 10 to 15 years in various colleges. So this team is a very, very good team. Really, I expect and congratulate the team members and the club members. I wish the program and even a grand success. Thank you for the opportunity given.
Thank you, sir. Now, I request Dr. S. Madan Shankar, sir, Dean Academics, to render the keynote address.
Thank you. Good afternoon to all of you. Most respected Secretary Madam, Principal Sir, Dean R&D, CEO Sir, and the most learned librarian. He is actually a repository not just for the library, but for all of you, because he's giving and making a lot of facilities which will take the college to the next level. Now, I'm happy to share a few things about the NDLI and the kind of activities which the club is expected to do. Principal has already elaborated on the different kind of activities which the club will be doing in the next 1 year of time. And only when we complete all these programs, we will be eligible for a renewing of the license for the next year. And there will be a national level competition where several colleges who are members of the NDLI club will be participating, and we have to be number one in the activities that are going to be conducted. And in this regard, we solicit the cooperation of all the club members and also the students who will be a part and parcel of this club to facilitate us to do the program in a very systematic and scientific way. And as you all know, this National Digital Library of India, it was initially started as a mission under the National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, which was called as NMEICT way back in the year 2005. And it was formally launched as a digital repository in November 10th, 2006 from IIT Kharagpur. So the sole repository and functioning unit is at IIT Kharagpur. And the idea of this club is to make an access to students of diverse section, irrespective of their community, irrespective of their caste, irrespective of their economical background, make them in a position to have access to quality books, quality journals, reading materials, theses, dissertations, so on and so forth. That apart, the repository also has a host of collection of audio lectures, video lectures, and specific magazines which most of us will be interested in reading. So the idea of this club or the idea of this NDLI is to make a platform available to all the students across the country. And as far as what I know, there are about 35 million digital content available in the repository as of today, and out of which are at least 270 million of them are open access, and about 7.7 million have got specific licensed access. So I think Dr. Senthil Kumar sir will be telling you about how to install this app in your mobile phone. Once you install the app in the mobile phone, the whole reading material is in your hand. You can have access to journals, you can have access to books, you can have access to any kind of material. And the idea is to support all the academicians. The specific advantage of this NDLI is the portal is that even differently able students have got a special access to the repository. So it's a kind of a holistic platform, irrespective of the kind of languages. When you see the website, you will know, or when you see the app, you will know there are multiple language options that are available, right? Most of the Indian classical languages like Hindi, Tamil, English, almost all the languages are available. So a student can have access and learn any content in his mother tongue per se. And as you know, this recent National Education Policy 2020, which was rolled out in the recent 2-3 weeks ago by the Union Ministry, they have clearly emphasized that all the content has to be digitized and readily made available. And our Prime Minister Shri Modi ji is actually taking this digital platform to the rural sector as well. So because of this Make Digital India movement, several children from the rural background who have either not have an access to a library or who do not have some facilities have now got an opportunity to gain access to quality books and quality reading materials. Not only that, in the current situations of Corona pandemic, this NDLI has come out with an initiative which is called as Corona Outbreak, Study from School and College from Home, which is a very unique portal. And as of what I know, there is also a specific repository called COVID-19 Research Resource Repository, which has got about 40,000 research articles 40,000 research materials and other materials related to COVID-19 and SARS-CoV infections readily available for access in the open form to all those people who would like to either do research in COVID-19 or create a kind of platform for innovation and entrepreneurship in the way of developing some products or developing some technologies which can alleviate this infection. So this is one of the biggest initiative which this NDLA has done in the recent years. And the tagline or the theme of the central of the National Digital Library is actually transform libraries and transform the societies. That's the tagline which they use. So it's perfectly aligning to what the government is perceiving in the near future. And there are a lot of benefits of reading books. Today, most of the students have got a disconnect with the library, and most of the students have disconnected themselves with reading books. Now, when I was a student here, we had a very, very small but yet a compact library with a lot of books which were written by eminent authors. So we used to spend a lot of time literally fighting for books. We used, like, there will be only one copy of the book or two copies of the book, and literally we used to fight to sit and read those books. So that was the scenario in the previous days. But today, when everything is available in what is called as the internet crazy world, everything is available in the palm and everything is available for you in one click. So NDLI is actually an initiative to blend you to back to the reading habit. And the purpose of this National Digital Library Club of India is actually to empower students through reading. I would say reading has a lot of benefits other than whiling away your time. Now, there has been a research which was conducted by a neuroscience department, and it stated that people who at least read for an hour or half an hour every day before you go for a nap or before you go for your bed, the chances that they pick up dementia and Alzheimer's disease is far lesser. So this is a very, very interesting thing which most of us know. So it is, you have to read, keep in touch with books, and it also improves your cognition. Books will also have puzzles, book will also have crosswords, books will also have questions which can stimulate your cognition, which your internet crazed stuff can never give you. WhatsApp or things can never give you. So it will also, see, in the NEP 2020, there are two important pillars which are given adequate emphasis. One is critical thinking, the other one is out-of-box thinking and creativity. So these three concepts of critical thinking, creativity will emerge only if you are in touch with a book. And being young at this age, I feel that this is the right time that you will have to be connected with books, and books should be your best friends rather than any other person in your life. And for the internet craze word, today we have ad behavior. Most of the ad behavior is because of getting into the internet and Internet of Things, and we don't focus on really reading books. There was a saying which was proposed by Huskin Laboratory. He's Professor Ken Pugh. He says reading a book and taking time to ruminate and make inference and engage the imaginational processing is more cognitively enriching than spending short little bits of time, say about 30 seconds or so, with a technology device or with a digital mode. So I congratulate our librarian for taking up this good initiative, and wish that this club will bring laurels to our institutions in the next year, so that we will be number one in the usage of the digital content, as well as in the activities that are enlisted by the National Digital Library Club of India, and wish you all success. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, I request Dr. V. Chinnuswamy, sir, Chief Executive Officer, to felicitate the gathering.
Most respected Secretary Madam, our beloved Principal, Dean R&D Dr. Baluswamy, Dean Academics Dr. Madan Sankar, our eminent librarian Dr. Sendil Kumar, good afternoon to all of you, and the members, Dr. Sumati Madam, who is the organizers of this function, and all the members. Thank you that our college is inaugurating this National NDLI Club today. Already we have conducted one program about the National Digital Library of India last month. What is the specific purpose? What are the silent features of this NDLI? Already our principal and Madan Shankar sir told a lot of things about that. Anyway, I have to tell something about this. Educational materials, these are all available for users ranging from primary to postgraduate levels. NDL has been digested, designed to benefit all kinds of users like students of all levels, whether it is a graduate or postgraduate or school students of all the levels, teachers, researchers, librarians, library users, professionals, differently abled users, and all other lifelong learners. Information can be personalized based on the education level, choice of language, difficulty level, media of content, and such other factors. This is thus like a customized service provided in a 24/7 integrated environment where learners can find out the right resource with the least effort and in minimum time. Repository course contains from multiple subjects domains like technology, science, humanities, agriculture, and others. More than 60 type of learning resources are available. There are books, articles, manuscripts, video lectures, theses, etc. And items are available in more than 70 languages. Repository integrate contents from different Indian institutional repositories. So please, the club members, you should take steps. First, you have to register yourself because it is available free of cost. Then you have to log in, needs to register with a user ID and password and log in using these for accessing these classified materials. Now we are very happy that this club is inaugurating today, and we wish this club should bring Lawrence to the institutions. We already our library and information center is a high tech. With the help of our Dr. Senthil Kumar, is an eminent librarian. Not only he is doing library science, he producing so many PhDs also. Already within a short period of time, you produced 2 PhDs, and many of the research scholars are doing PhD in library and information science. And most of the colleges from India, Tamil Nadu and India, they are visiting our library, and that is contacting with the librarian how to develop this high-tech, that library into a high-tech level. So we wish this NDLI club also making efforts to bring all our staff members and students to enroll themselves and utilize this NDLI as a very great success for their achievement, for their learning purposes and achievements. Thank you, Panada.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. S. Tolsamy, sir, Dean R&D, to share a few words.
Esteemed Secretary Madam of our college, respected Principal, respected Dean Academic, respected CEO Sir, beloved librarian Dr. Senthil Kumar, and other club members of NDLI. So this is a very happy occasion that the National Digital Library of India has selected our institution for NDLI club formation. So already our college library is functioning well, not only accumulating a huge number of books, it is a place of repository of digital information also. So many kinds of sections of people, as our CEOs are told, the graduate level students, postgraduate level students, research scholars, staff members, and other categories, they can able to access the information in our library through digital mode. So already these facilities have been created well in our library by our dynamic librarian, Dr. R. Sendil Kumar. For the past 1 decade, he is giving equal importance to convert the library into digital mode, in addition to documenting or more number of volumes of textbooks and reference books. So he is doing a wonderful job to convert the library into modern structure. So really, we are very happy for selecting our institution by NDLI to form the these club members, the NDLI club members. As pointed out by Dean, definitely through this project, still we have to encourage the reading habitat among the students. So now everything is available in the smartphone or through the Android phone. They are collecting all informations wherever it is available in the world. But one thing, that reading of textbook is more important. In spite of all those digital facilities available, reading inside the library by referring textbooks, that will give more in-depth knowledge in the subject concerned. And we have to encourage the reading habit among the students. And through this program, our principal pointed out so many things we have to do. One thing, that awareness to be made or much useful by this program, that will be used to increase the end users at maximum end. We can include almost all students, those who are not involved in the library reference, that can also become inside to refer all those things wherever he or she is. And our library is already, I told, all facilities, the video conferencing room and also the lecture capturing system, it is available here. So we can refer anywhere else in the world to our library. And then this lockdown period actually still pushes us towards the digital mode of learning, teaching, and then the evaluation. So this time, this is the time, usually the senior generation people like us, we are not much involved in the digital mode of access, a digital mode of reference, everything. But this is the period we are also forced to involve in all these things. We learn something, not that much level, but we learned something through digital mode, and we are knowing the information available in the library in various sections. And then definitely hope we will be recognized as a best performer in the NDLI in the forthcoming year. So such a way, all the things are planned already. The things are going on well. Our librarian and other coordinators in this program definitely will do a better job to achieve this goal. In this occasion, I congratulate the program for a grand success, and I congratulate all the team members for doing this excellent job in our institution. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The NDLI aims to render the learning community various learning resources through a single window. Now, I kindly request Dr. R. Sendil Kumar, sir, Librarian and Head, Department of Library and Information Science, Konganadu Arts and Science College, to share his expertise on the topic NDLI access and resources.
All the participants are requested to turn on their video for a few minutes. Thank you.
First of all, I take this opportunity and convey my sincere thanks to our college president, Dr. M. Archam sir, and our most respected secretary, Madam, Dr. C. Vaski, Madam. Then I would like to invite and thank our most respected principal, Dr. M. Lakshmanaswamy sir, CEO sir, Dr. V. Sinnasamy, CEO sir, Dean R&D, Dr. S. Palsamy sir, Dean Academic, Dr. S.R. Madan Shankar sir. First of all, I thank our secretary madam and Dr. Madan Shankar and our principal. They are all the initiating factor to form the NDLI club in our college. I have 15th August 2020 joined. We registered as NDLI club. The valid of the NDLI club registration up to 14th September 2021. Based on our performance only, they will renew. Okay. Next. Now, I would like to share you something about the NDLI introduction and user awareness. Okay, sir. NDLI stands for National Digital Library of India, Central Ministry of Education. Now it is changed from MHRD, Ministry of Human Resource Development, into Central Ministry of Education. Funded the NDLI project. Ministry of Education sponsored and funded this project. Developed and maintained by IIT Kharagpur, West Bengal. Not only through web portal. For example, website address is ndli.iitkgp.ac.in. You can browse you can use this portal. Not only this portal, you can also download the NDLI app and make use of the resources. It is very easy. Next, inception. This was established on 10/11/2006, 20 lakhs plus users as on January 2019. Then January 2019 itself, 20 lakhs users. Headquarters, Kharagpur, West Bengal. Next, resources. As on 19/8/2020, total resources 1 week before 4 crores 95 lakhs 38,471. As on yesterday, 26/8/2020, total resources 5 crores 2 lakhs 53,589, and nearly 7 lakhs materials added within a week. This is the certificate. For our college, NDLI club registration certificate. This certificate is valid from, already told you, 15th August to 2020 to 14th August 2021. Next, registration. Individual registration is possible. You can register yourself. We can register our access to NDL by following some simple steps available in the NDLI website itself. Next. This is the home screen of NDLI. Just type the URL, click the URL and go to the NDLI. This is the home screen. At the right top, next. Right top, login. Login facility is available. Click login in the right top corner. Next, a pop-up menu will appear. Click register. Just click the register. Next, you get this form. Full name, last name, email, password, confirm password. Password is your discretion. Next, date of birth, gender, state, city. Just a simple email, date of birth, institution name. That's it. Education role, language, institution name, etc. Then you can get your password. You can log in. User ID is your email address. Password, you got it. Next, our NDLI club can get the login password for NDLI access to all the staff members and students. That is bulk registration method. Already, if the process is started going on, most of the HODs are sending. sent, already sent it. My remaining HOD is sending the same. Today morning to this after this lunchtime, I got 6 department data. For this NDLI club members, most must provide their department staff and students details in the following format. Just email ID, first name, last name. First name, student name or staff name. Last name, parent, father's name. Next. Search option, single window search system. It is very easy to search the material. You can easily retrieve the material by using this two. First one is simple search system. Second one is advanced search. Ensure that all the students and the faculty members are bulk registered and activated in NDLI portal. First task is to create bulk email, bulk registration. Bulk registration means for all the 5,000 plus students and 250 staffs, we send the details, for example, email ID, first name, last name, and get the password, that is login password. Next one is user awareness program, department wise, each and every department through NDLI club staff in charge and students, you should conduct and send the report before 5th September 2020. Within week, you conduct all this. I will give you the materials. I will send, I will share you. You can make use of that material. Just make the awareness. Next. Conduct at least one reading. Principal sir already told you, one reading or knowledge related activity every month. Every month you should conduct one program. Totally 10, but our college for more than 30 departments are available. So we can conduct more than 10 programs throughout this year. You are requested to conduct at least 10 reading related activities within next 12 months. Your certificate, sir already told you, right, renewed on the basis of performance only, because all the activities we send the we are sending today itself. We are sending the activities with evidence-based activities. Next, we for some cases, some examples, please. Next, you conduct the activities like NDLI lecture series from NDLI resources by using, please note 2 keywords. Then only bold and red marked NDLI resources only. You should use the NDLI resource and conduct the activities, programs, etc. NDLI resources, various topics can be chosen by club members because of the promotion activities. These are all the promotion activities. You must use the NDLI resource only. Again and again, I will tell you, you must use NDLI resources only. Invite subject matter experts or any other to deliver lectures on the chosen topic and interact with the members and audience. Again, you should note members and non-members. All the activities for all the students and staff, not only NDLI club members. Please note it. Next. Based on NDLI resources, question sets on chosen themes can be prepared by NDLI club members. During quiz sessions, participants, again, you should note, members as well as non-members can use NDLI resources. Already told you, NDLI resources also. NDLI resources and members as well as non-members. Next. Story talk. Identifying stories from NDLI resources. Storytelling sessions can be organized by where both members and as non-members may participate. This is for all. Next. NDLI Go Fish. A list of 10 to 20 topics from NDLI resources may be given to a group of participants, members as well as non-members, to find out and share the gist of each of the topic. Next. From NDLI contents, again, topics can be chosen and club members to enact a role play based on the text. Viewers may be members and as non-members. NDLI write-on. Choosing topics from NDLI resources, writing competitions can be conducted on and the competitors, members as well as non-members, that is students and staff. Students, main students, may use NDLI resources while writing. Next. NDLI marker space, topic chosen from NDLI resources can be given to the participants, members and non-members, and encourage them to come up with their own models and solutions on the topic. If really good quality resources, please note, if really good quality resource gets generated in the process, the same can be put in NDLI at later time. It is very important. You can also be a content partner. You can contribute it. Because NDLI is formed, many contributors are contributing day to day. Then only it is equipped. You can also be a content partner with NDLI by sharing non-copyrighted, open source, digitized quality resources. That could be faculty or students, publications, presentations, class notes, video lectures, anything, any material, research papers, etc. These are all the links. I already told you. I will share all these links. NDLI portal registration for content access. How to use the NDLI portal. Full demo. Advanced research. I already told you. Give more information and get the pinpoint material. Advanced research on NDLI. Just 1 minute you can learn. Useful links. Next useful links. Enlist e-resources and NDLI. This is the very big demo. Just see this video and get all the information, a hands-on practical. Really, it is a training. National Digital Library of India, just 1 minute, just outline the outline video for National Digital Library introduction. Thank you for your attention. I will share you all the materials. Please start to tomorrow onwards. You can start and send the evidences. All the programs like user awareness or any other program. Screenshots are very important. Evidence is very important. One write-up, that is report plus screenshots. You should send the screenshots for kaslibrary@yahoo.com and Sumati madam's mail. I will share you within 1 hour. Thank you very much for your kind cooperation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Gratitude is the mother of all attitude. Now, I request Ms. Veena SP, NDLI.
Wait, please wait.
Wait. So,
Any clarification from student side or staff side, you can clarify with us, please.
இதில் ஏதாவது மாணவர்களுக்கோ ஆசிரியர்களுக்கோ உங்களுக்கு இந்த NDA லைப்ரரியில பத்தி நீங்க வந்து எங்க வேணாலும் போய் ஒரு எம்ஃபில் தீஸோ பிஹெச்டி தீஸோ ப்ராஜெக்டோ ஆல் ஓவர் இந்தியாவில் வந்து நீங்க நேஷனல் டிஜிட்டல் லைப்ரரியில வந்து நீங்க எடுக்கலாம். திஸ் இஸ் காமன். அதனால கிளப் மெம்பர்ஸ்க்கோ ஆசிரியர்களுக்கோ மாணவர்களுக்கோ இது சம்பந்தம் ஏதாவது சந்தேகம் இருந்தால் நீங்க இப்போ லைப்ரரியன் சார் இங்க இருக்கிறாரு, நீங்க இன்னைக்கு கேட்டாலும் சரி, இதை எப்ப வேணும் கூட நீங்க உங்களுடைய இது என்னுடைய வாட் ஆர் தி அப்ஜெக்டிவ்ஸ் ஆர் மெரிட்ஸ் இதெல்லாம் நீங்க பின்னாடி வந்து நீங்க கேட்டு தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Thank you, sir. Gratitude is the mother of all attitude. Now, I request Ms. Veena SP, NDLI student member, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Greater the obstacle, more glory in overcoming it. Do not believe circumstances. If you cannot find the right one, then make one, as the spring cannot be so pleasant without a winter before. I take it a privilege to propose the vote of thanks today for this wonderful session on National Digital Library of India, Access and Resources by Dr. R. Sendil Kumar Sir, Librarian and Head, Department of Library Information Sciences, Kongunadu Arts and Science College, who has instilled the importance of digital resources, which is essential to survive in the new normal. Thank you, sir. My sincere thanks to our Secretary and Director, Dr. C.A. Vasugi ma'am, for providing this opportunity to explore new horizons at one touch through such learning resources portal. My deepest sense of gratitude to our principal, Dr. M. Lakshmanasamy sir, Dr. S. Madan Shankar sir, Dean Academics, Dr. V. Chinnusamy sir, Chief Executive Officer, Dr. S. Paulsamy sir, Dean R&D, and Dr. R. Sumati ma'am, Assistant Professor, Department of English, for their valuable presence throughout the program. I thank all the heads and staff members and all NDLI representatives who are connected virtually for this fruitful session. Thank you.